Is your neck always hurting? Yeah, mine too. I got this to help my chronic neck pain, and I'll show you what comes in the box and how it works. It comes with a charging cord, and it goes in right there. It's USB-C. It comes with a remote, which you'll want because that's the only way to turn on the heat and the pulse, a carrying bag, and instructions. And I'll show you how it works. Okay, so you just want to lay down with it, and I've got the heat turned on already. The instructions show how to connect the remote to the unit. It's really easy. You just hold down the power button and it connects the two. So I've got the heat on already. It's got pulse, and I'm going to turn that on. That just gives you some electrical currents to help. You can feel it kind of shocking the skin, like really lightly. And then right here is vibration. So I'm going to turn that on, and you have to hit plus. And now it's going, and I'm going to go up all the way. There's three different settings: setting 1, setting 2, and setting 3. And setting 3 is the highest. I think with the vibration, the pulse, and the heat, it does a really good job of loosening up that neck tension there. And you can kind of move your neck around to get different areas, but I love how it's ergonomic right here, and it really helps to put your neck in a perfect position to get those muscles loosened up. And then to turn it off, the power button's right here. You just hold it down, and it's that easy. It has an anti-slip back, which is great. All in all, I think this is a great product, really helpful with neck pain because it's ergonomic, has heat, pulse, and vibration. If you have neck pain, I definitely recommend this product. Get it today.